Let Reviewer 2019. General Education. 004A. Answering more questions has a higher chance of encountering similar questions that may appear on the actual exam. Watch the full video and answer along. To find out how much you already know, you can pause anytime if you need to. Good luck. 1. There was hiatus of 2 years before I went back to college. Hiatus means A. Lapse. B. Uninterruption. C. Length. D. Continuation. The correct answer is A. Lapse. 2. I was speaking to Raquel on the phone when suddenly we were A. Disconnected. B. Cut off. C. Hung up. D. Broken down. The correct answer is B. Cut off. 3. The surprised teacher asked, "What was all the hub about?" Hub means A. Hush. B. Serenity. C. Commotion. D. Stillness. The correct answer is C. Commotion. 4. Who is the general who said I shall return after training troops in Australia? A. Carlos P. Romulo. B. Douglas M.C. Arthur. C. J. De La Torre. D. Arthur M.C. Arthur. The correct answer is B. Douglas M.C. Arthur. 5. Thomas Carlyle said, "The man without a purpose is like a ship without a rudder." It could be interpreted as A. There is a strong driving force in one's life. B. There should be sufficient energy in one's life. C. Direction can never come into one's life. D. One's life doesn't need to be. The correct answer is A. There is a strong driving force in one's life. The correct answer is A. 7. A car depreciates by 10% of its new price each year and by 15% in each succeeding year. By 2009, what would be the market price for a car bought brand new for P600,000 in 2004? A. P390,000. B. P80,000. C. P210,000. D. P420,000. The correct answer is D. P420,000. 8. Who said, "The Filipino is worth dying for"? A. Benigno Aquino. B. Carlos P. Garcia. C. Fidel V. Ramos. D. Jose P. Rizal. The correct answer is A. Benigno Aquino. 9. Who is remembered for his famous quotation, "My loyalty to my party ends where my loyalty to my country begins"? A. Carlos P. Garcia. B. Ferdinand Marcos. C. Manuel Quezon. D. Manuel Roxas. The correct answer is C. Manuel Quezon. 10. Both Nanita and plan to go. A. I. B. Me. C. Myself. D. Me myself. The correct answer is A. I. 11. Your brother is paying for your plane ticket. A. Is he? B. Isn't it? C. Aren't you? D. Isn't he? The correct answer is D. Isn't he? 12. We should work for a total ban of pesticides that are harmful to man. A. By the use. B. On using. C. With the use. D. On the use. The correct answer is D. On the use. The correct answer is A. 14. The edges of a rectangular solid have these measures: 1.5 feet x 1/2 feet x 3 inches. What is its volume in cubic inches? A. 324, B. 225, C. 272, D. 27. The correct answer is A. 324. 15. Joey in bed too long and missed her classes. A. Laid. B. Lays. C. Lay. D. Lied. The correct answer is C. Lay. 16. Which sentences that clearly and effectively states the idea and has no structural errors? A. The interest at a loan company is higher than at a bank. B. The interest of a loan company is higher than in a bank. C. The interest at a loan company is higher than a bank. Is higher than a bank. D. The interest if a loan company. The correct answer is C. The interest at a loan company is higher than a bank. 17. I should have returned this book last Tuesday, it is now 5 days. A. Delayed. B. Postponed. C. Overdue. D. Beyond deadline. The correct answer is C. Overdue. 1. The image of a good teacher is one who is constantly reflecting about how best to help different types of learners how to learn. 2. The National Competency-Based Teacher Standards, NCBTS, define a new paradigm of teaching where the teacher is viewed as a knowledge professional who is responsible learning. 3. Good teaching is defined in terms of those practices that help students learn better. 4. Competency-based means that the standards or criteria for characterizing good. 5. The NCBTS can be used as a self-assessment tool for professional development. A. 2. 18. Which among the following is the correct sequence of the sentences below? A. 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. B. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. C. 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. D. 4, 1, 3, 5, 2. The correct answer is A. 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. 19. Choose the sentence that expresses the thought clearly and that has no error in structure/spelling. A. The farmer did plow, plant, harvest his corn in record time. B. The farmer plowed, planted, and harvested his corn in record time. C. The farmer plowed, has planted, and has harvested his corn in record time. D. The farmer has plowed, planted, and harvested his corn. The correct answer is D. 21. One angle of a parallelogram is 35. What are the measures of the other three angles? A. 45, 65, 170. B. 85, 135, 140. C. 145, 145. D. 45, 65, 65. The correct The correct answer is C. 145, 35, 145. 22. The traffic flow at the corner was jammed. Manny feared getting late, so he with a bus and leaped at the door. A. Catch up. B. Was catching. C. Caught up. D. Has caught. The correct answer is C. Caught up. 23. Teacher Michelle always tries to help people, but recently she has been kind and generous. A. Principally. B. Usually. C. Especially. D. Largely. The correct answer is C. Especially. 24. I die just when the dawn breaks to herald the day. This is a famous quote from A. Jose P. Rizal. B. Benigno S. Aquino. C. Jose Aquino. D. Manuel L. Quezon. The correct answer is A. Jose P. Rizal. 25. Rousseau advised, have a good bank account, a good cook and a good digestion. What is being referred to? A. Investment. B. Security. C. Family. D. Duty. The correct answer is B. Security. Thank you for watching. Have a question? Write it down below at the comment section. Please subscribe and hit that notification button, so you won't miss a thing. Continue to the second part by clicking the link on the description below. Good luck, and God bless.